Training usually lasts 2 or 3 days. We prefer to train your staff directly rather than doing a train the trainer type method. During these days, there will be 2 4-hour class sessions held, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Class sizes can range anywhere from 5 to 50. It can even get higher if your facility needs to. After the in-class training is complete, your facility will go live with the platform. After that go live, our training team will shadow your staff during every shift, helping to make sure that they understand the platform and how to use it effectively. This also gives us the opportunity to field any questions about the system while on site. And we can even give recommendations for procedure or policy changes that we think will help your staff and facility as a whole use the platform to its full effectiveness. Our training staff has a combined 30 years of correctional experience. They are here to help make sure that your staff fully understand the platform and what it can do to help them. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about us, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our blog. If you're ready to take the next step with the Command and Control platform and want to speak to a team member, fill out the form by clicking the link below.